Hello everyone, welcome to Quantpower. Today I will share with you a naked option buying expiry day strategy. Just look into the charts and trade. First, log into your Quantpower account. Remember to follow this setup only on expiry day and on index only. Let's go to your trading terminal. Market should be near strong resistance point or all-time high, but strong resistance point should be there. Look, 22,000 level and 22,100 level पे काफी strong resistance point है. Though ये resistance multiple times test हुआ, but still ये resistance काफी strongly behave कर रहा था. 8 February को market slightly gap up open हुआ and same point पे resists and look at the downfall. So let's understand the setup now. Market should open slightly gap up. Keep the time frame to 15 minutes. Then you should carefully look at the first candle. If it negative, then it is great, otherwise you need to wait for another candle. The day low should be broke in first hour only. That is within 10:15 am or first 4 candles. Whenever the low is broken, you will buy at the money put option. Your stop loss should be the day high of the index chart or the premium chart. Keep your target 4 times. Suppose you placed a stop loss of 25 points, so your target should be at least 100 points. Now let's backtest this and see, for better understanding. The low was broken at 10 am. So we'll initiate at the money put buy at 10 am. Let's look at the premium at 9:15 am, so we can estimate the stop loss. Our stop loss is 800 rupees or say 16 points. Think we will be aiming for at least 3,200 rupees profit before trailing or booking profit. And look, in just a few candles we achieved our profit and more. Now let's see if we have trailed, how much we could have made with just a single lot. And here is the result. So, this was it. We will keep on bringing algo trading strategies along with manual trading strategies in future, so subscribe to our channel. Happy trading!